Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making easy fruit mix upside down cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. We are going to use classic yellow cake mix. The recipe calls for water, oil, and eggs. Instead of water, we are using milk, and for oil, we are using butter. You are also going to need peaches, sliced pears, and eggs, of course. We're gonna start by greasing our 9 by 13 inches baking pan with a baking spray, then set aside. Next, in a medium bowl, combine milk, eggs, melted butter, cake mix. Mix well until well blended and the batter is smooth. You are more than welcome guys to use your hand mixer or your standard mixer. I like to make recipes that are easy for everybody. Not all of us guys have mixers. So next we are going to pour the peaches along with the syrup in a pan. Then we are going to drain out the syrup from the pears, then add the sliced pears to the peaches in the pan. We only need syrup from 1 can guys. Next, we are going to pour the batter on top of the fruits. With this recipe, you can use any kind of fruits you like. You can even use fresh fruits. This cake is so moist guys. You can serve it the way it is, or you can make icing or serve it with whipped cream. I like mine plain the way it is. We are going to bake this cake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. The cake is out of the oven. We're gonna check the doneness by inserting a toothpick, and when it comes out clean, the cake is done. Or when you see your cake has pulled from the pan, know that it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Share this video with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.